springtime in our territory here, it's like a breath of fresh air, a fresh start to the season. It's also breeding season for bears and other wildlife. They are all just coming out of hibernation. They come down to feed on everything that is freshly growing down in the estuaries. The moms with cubs are just coming out. It's where they really start teaching their young ones of where they come from. It's really hard to explain of like what this is. Like, how can you really explain this territory? Because there's nothing else like this.